my house is too small. Let's make it bigger.
This video is a little more advanced. Don't get scared. 2 dots here make up the width of this toy brick, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots make up the length of this brick. So this is 2 times 10, or a 2 by 10. Now how many dots total do we have? You can skip count by 2 if you'd like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2 times 10, that is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. Whoa, this one's a little bit longer. How much longer? Well, the last one was 10. This guy is 11, 12. It's 12 dots long and 2 dots wide. So this is a 2 by 12. It's 2 dots wide and 12 dots long. So 2 times 12. The last one that we did was 2 times 10, and that was 20. Hey, look there. You take your handy 2 by 2, which has 4 dots, and you have now made 2 sets of toy bricks that are pretty much the same. So 20 dots here, and then you're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4 more dots to get 24. And that's how we conclude that 12 dots by 2 dots is 24. Wait, you said 2 dots by 12 dots. Oh, that brings us to an excellent point here. Rotate that, look at it. 12 by 2, it's the same number of dots, it's just 24 dots. All I did was turn the toy brick. So 12 times 2 has the same amount of dots as 2 times 12. Let's see if we can duplicate that. 4 dots by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 by 6. You can skip count by 4, or you can count each individual dot. Whatever you want to do. Pause, fast forward, rewind if you need to. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. There are 24 dots in this 4 by 6. You'll notice that that is the same amount of dots. All we did was turn the toy brick ever so slightly onto its side so that we can see that we have 6 by 4. 6 by 4. That's also 24. Very good. What about this one? We're gonna do 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 by 8. And if you turn it onto its side, it's gonna be the same answer as 8 times 4. So 4 times 8 is equal to 8 times 4. You get to do it however you like. The 4 by 8 will count by 4. Notice we did it with 6 rows of 4 dots in the last example, so we have just 2 more rows of 4 dots. That should simplify your answer, but if you don't want to do it that way, you can do it manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24.
That was the last problem.
28, 32. So the 4 by 8 is equal to 32. There are 32 dots in this toy brick.
This episode is brought to you by snacks. Don't leave home without them.
This guy is huge. Let's use the previous one to help us see how big this is. Oh, okay, I see. So this one that we just did is 8 dots long, and then this 4 by 4 tells us that the brown toy is 12 dots long. And if you need to, you can just do it by 4s. 4, 8, 12. 12 dots long, 4 dots wide. So 12 by 4, turn it onto its side, just turn it 90 degrees, and you'll see that it's the same thing as 4 by 12. So what is the 4 by 12? We can count by 4s, or you can go the painstaking route of counting each individual dot. I like counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, don't get scared, we're almost done, 44, 48. We got to the answer. So this rectangle has 12 by 4 dots, or 48 dots. Yeah.
Hey, be sure to subscribe and join the Greater Gators class for full-length episodes. You definitely need to figure out what is a 7 by 7 and be the first one to get the answer correct. Let us know. See you next time. God bless. Beep, beep, beep.
First. welcome to the bonus section. We have a 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, it's a perfect square. See? It's a perfect square. We got a 6 by 6.